Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use HDMI to Ethernet adapters. There are two of them, as you can see, and one of them says RX and the other says TX. The TX goes into the source, the RX goes into the destination, which will be my TV that you see here. So here's how this works. So what I'm going to do is take this and put an Ethernet cable into it like that. Okay, so now what I do is I'll turn the camera up here. Just like that. So as you can see, I have a protective coating. I just take that off just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the HDMI port on the TV, because this technically is a TV. It's not a computer monitor, but I bought it to use as a computer monitor. So give me a second and I will do that. There. All right, so that's now in there. And what I'm going to do now is plug the source end, which will be this end, into my daily use machine. And there is a reason for that. So here's how this works. Take this end, do that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a file here. Just like that. So now what I'm going to do, as you can see here, I'm going to disconnect the DVI adapter. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the sound as well so I don't damage anything. Alright, so I need a light, unfortunately. I could just move the tower out. So now what I do is come back over here . Turn on the monitor, So the monitor is now on, and there we go. Now, what would you use this device for? What I would do, actually, when I was going to school, one of the schools that I went to, they ran VGA ports in the wall. And it was a VGA cable. They had one end that would be on the card. So what they did is they had an adapter plate that had two ends that would be on the card. So the cable in the wall would connect to the back side, and the other side was free to connect whatever you wanted. So basically, what this is basically, this would be good for a classroom setting. So now, that's not quite it. So it did, that was testing station number 2. I thought that was it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go source. We're going to go to source. We're going to go to HDMI 1. Source. HDMI 2. No signal. Source. HDMI 3. There we go. This is actually working. So if I would move the mouse on my daily use machine, you're going to see it move. Now here's the cool thing about this. Let's say you have your computer inside a cabinet. Okay, so what you could do is drill a hole in the back side, run it through the wall, have it come out into this adapter. So basically what you are seeing right now is my daily use machine running through this. So all the image is coming through here out into my monitor. So this will actually work. So I would do this for classroom settings and all that, and then what you could do is it makes it easier to configure. You put something called a raceway on the wall, run the cable through there, and then it'll come back up to wherever you need it. Pretty cool, huh? So this is working, and this is my daily use machine, and I'll prove it to you. There we go. Right there. So this is my daily use machine running on my testing station monitor via USB. And what's nice about these adapters, it'll work for game systems, DVD players, and stuff like that. So there you have it. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.